Hello, welcome to week 5 of Sociology 185. I hope you guys are doing well. Just want to introduce you to my pet. Keeps me company as I'm doing work. His name is Neo, named after the R&B singer from the early 2000s, one of my favorite singers. Fun fact about me. So first, I just want to start off by talking about the anonymous poll that everyone filled out. So it looks like Reagan and Obama are like neck and neck at this point, right? So there's a few more days left, but those two are clearly in the lead. That's super interesting. And then Johnson and JFK are kind of rounding out the third and fourth place, and there's like one or two voters for Clinton. So I'm curious how it's all going to play out this upcoming week, and just keep posting. It's really fun for me to read and learn more about you and kind of who you think is the best president since World War II. So I just want to get into it this week. The most important thing is going to be talking about project number 1, right? So this project is concerning why Trump was elected in 2016. So your final paper for this project should address this issue using the readings and the data we are providing for this week. So for the first thing to do is start by downloading. Actually, the first thing to do, even before downloading the data, is making sure that you do all the readings and watch the lecture for this week. By doing that, you'll be able to get a framework for understanding the Trump presidency, and this will help you when you create your data project, right? So this week is our first deadline for Project 1. So on Thursday, October 31st, you have to submit to me the first data for Part 1, subsections 1 and 2, right? So what does it actually do on Thursday? Good question. Only the data is. So no writing, no analysis, just the data. So what I mean by this is you have to submit to me a document with 3 frequency tables and graphs for Part 1 of subsection 1, and then 3 cross tabulations and graphs of Part 1 subsection 2, right? So all of this is going to be in your tab section for next week. So I'm just kind of reiterating the information that's already on the tabs. So let me give you an example of how this is going to go down. So for Part 1, subsection 1, you have to pick 3 opinion variables. So let's say you choose the topics of terrorism, immigration, and jobs. This means that for Part 1, subsection 1, you will have to have 3 tables and 3 graphs for one of each opinion variable. So for Part 1, subsection 2, you have to then pick 3 demographic variables. So let's say you choose region, age, and gender. Then you cross-tabulate the 3 opinion variables with the 3 demographic variables for Part 1 and 2. So an example of this cross-tabulation can be that terrorism and region, immigration and age, or jobs and gender. This means that Part 1, subsection 2, you will have 3 tables, 3 graphs, 1 of each cross-tabulation. So it might sound a little bit confusing now, but if you reread the directions and you reread or rewatch this video, you kind of see them going together. So in summary, for next week, you will have 3 tables and 3 graphs for each subsection of Part 1 for a total of 6 graphs and 6 tables. You can submit your data to me in a Word document, which can be uploaded in the link available in week 5, class 2 tab. And again, last but not least, please do not forget to participate in the discussion forum. I enjoyed reading the people who have already posted, but please keep it up. If you have any questions about the upcoming assignment and project, please let me know. I'm here for you, and I will talk to everyone soon. Have a good week. All right, take care.